Hi everyone, welcome to this exciting journey. It's awesome you're here, ready to learn about making your own website. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide is for you. Having your own website is super important today. It's a powerful tool that can open up many opportunities. It's like your online home, your own space on the internet, a place where you can express yourself and connect with others. You can share your thoughts, sell things, or show off your work. The possibilities are endless. Think of it like this. A website helps people find you online. It's your digital footprint. It's like having a shop on a busy street. The more visible you are, the more people can discover you. More people can find you and see what you're all about. Exciting, right? Imagine the possibilities. In this guide, we'll walk through all the steps to get your website up and running. From start to finish, we've got you covered. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll break it down into simple steps. We'll start with picking out your website's name, which is like choosing the perfect address for your online home. Then find it a home on the internet by setting up web hosting. And finally, we'll make it look amazing with design and customization. Let's get started on this exciting journey. First things first, your website needs a name. This is called a domain name, and it's what people type in to find your site. Like google.com or facebook.com, your domain name should be catchy and easy to remember. Think about what your website is about. If it's about your photography, maybe use your name or something like amazingphotos.com. Keep it short and sweet. Once you have a few ideas, you can check if they're available. We'll use Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger to do this. These are companies that can hold your domain name for you and make sure it's all yours. Now that you have a domain name in mind, let's make it official. Securing your domain name is the first step in establishing your online presence. It's like claiming your unique address on the internet. We'll use Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger to buy your domain. These platforms are user-friendly and reliable, making the process smooth and straightforward. These are all great choices and they make it super easy to get started. They offer competitive pricing and excellent customer support, which is crucial for beginners. Go to their website and look for a domain checker or get started button. This tool will help you verify if your desired domain name is available. Type in your chosen domain name and see if it's available. If it is, you can proceed to purchase it right away. If it is, yay! You can go ahead and buy it. This is an exciting moment because it means your website is one step closer to becoming a reality. But wait, there's one more thing. Securing a domain name is just part of the process. Besides a name, your website needs a place to live on the internet. This is called hosting. Hosting is essential because it stores all your website's data and makes it accessible to users. Think of it like renting space for your website on a big, powerful computer. This ensures your site runs smoothly and can handle traffic. Luckily, Bluehost, SiteGround, and Hostinger offer hosting too. They provide various plans to suit different needs and budgets. When you buy your domain, they'll offer you hosting plans. These plans come with different features and benefits. These plans determine how much space your website gets and how many people can visit it. Choose a plan that aligns with your website's goals and expected traffic. Pick a plan that fits your needs and you're good to go. With your domain and hosting secured, you're ready to start building your website. Section 4. Installing WordPress. It's a breeze. Now for the fun part, building your website. We'll use something called WordPress. Don't worry, it sounds fancy, but it's super easy to use. It's like building blocks for your website, and you can drag and drop things to make it look exactly how you want. Bluehost, SiteGround, and Hostinger make installing WordPress super easy with their one-click installation. Once you've bought your domain and hosting, look for a button that says Install WordPress or something similar. Click it, follow the simple steps, and voila! WordPress will be installed on your website in just a few minutes. You'll get a login and password to access your website's dashboard, which is where the magic happens. Section 5. Building your dream website. You did it. You have a domain name, hosting, and WordPress installed. This is a huge milestone and you should be proud of yourself. Now it's time to unleash your creativity and build your dream website. Think about the purpose of your site and the message you want to convey. Log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic happens. It might look a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, we'll guide you. Take your time to explore the different sections. You can change how your website looks by choosing from thousands of free designs called themes. Each theme offers unique features and layouts. You can add pictures, text, videos, and even contact forms so people can reach you. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant. WordPress has tons of cool features to explore. From SEO tools to social media integration, the possibilities are endless. You can even add special tools called plugins to do things like improve your website's ranking on Google or create beautiful photo galleries. Plugins can greatly enhance your site's functionality. That's it. You're well on your way to becoming a website master. Celebrate your progress and keep pushing forward. Remember, building a website takes time and effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. Patience and persistence are key. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun. The more you practice, the better you'll get. If you need any help along the way, feel free to reach out. Happy website building. There are plenty of resources and communities ready to assist you.